god, hi besties. This is so embarrassing. Anyways, I just finished my first class of the day, which I was actually late for. Anyways, so welcome to this week's vlog. I have a lot of things to do yet again, but I have recharged myself for 3 days because last week we didn't have synchronous classes for like 3 days. Yes, and on Friday I stopped doing schoolwork because I already finished a lot of my schoolwork that week and for the upcoming week, so I decided to take a break for 3 days, and I'm better. So taking a break is very important for your mental health and for your mental stability, so don't feel guilty whenever you take a break because it's very essential. Because if you work on your school activities tired and drained and burnt out, your output wouldn't be as eloquent as compared to when you're fully charged and when you're stable enough to create an output. So prioritize your breaks, even if it's only for a short while, like watch an episode of your favorite anime show. It's very important to your mental health. Just wanted to say that. So it's currently 10:10 right now, and I just finished my class, as I said, and look at my keyboard. It's so pretty, you guys, and the sound is immaculate. I'm gonna do like keyboard ASMR sounds for y'all for this video, like multiple times. Anyways, I'm gonna continue doing what my tasks for today. I have 5 tasks. I have to pass 3 activities that I finished last week, and then I'm gonna start 2 activities today. So I'll see you guys in the time lapse. Emphasize how tired I am right now. guys, I have classes in like literally 10 minutes, but I just want to share that we have a performance task in philosophy. We're gonna choose a specific individual that we think is a person for others. I'm literally gonna choose Harry Styles. Like there's no person I could think of. It's just me and my teacher right now. Oh god. Anyways. Naka-time lapse yan. Hindi ka rin makikita. Hi guys, it's now Wednesday and just woke up. Today I have a lot of things to do as usual. However, I'm a bit limited because there's a family thing that's going to be happening today. So it's 8:11 and I'm gonna just try to do as much activities that I can before we do the family thing. I'm having boba right now, my leftover boba from last night. Oh my god, and I just want to say, if my friend is watching this, it's her birthday today. It's her birthday today. She's 18 and I'm so sad that we can't get to like go to her place and celebrate, and we didn't have anything planned because every single one of us are so busy. But if you're watching this, know that we love you so much and that, you know, we wish we were there. We wish that, you know, we wish you all the happiness and love and care in the world. Although when this goes up, it's not gonna be her birthday anymore, but right now, September 29th, it's her birthday. So happy birthday, bestie. I hope you have a blast on your very special day. stepping on my laptop. Thank you. I can't believe I'm running for student government. Hello. Please vote for me, Trump. I'm trying to make this count. My outfit today makes me so much. Look, I can't see my face, goddamn. Like a warrior, y'all. This is gonna be me 30 years. I mean, 10 years from now. Anyways, I'm not gonna wear this until I take pictures because it's so hot. But yeah, I'm so excited. But like with it without the blazer, I would literally rock this and it'd be like just so cute. Okay. Had to like update my to-do list. I still have a few things to do for today. So yeah, let's get on. Hi guys. Oh my god, I cannot. I look pretty. Anyways, I'm just going to look at my earrings. So cute. I'm just going to update my to-do list, and then once my hair is dry, I'm going